Have you ever wanted to grow your own herbs or food, but thought you need a big garden, lots of money, or years of experience? Today, I show you how to start from absolutely nothing, right on your balcony, windowsill, or tiny patio. First, pick the right plants. Start with tough ones like mint. Oregano, parsley, they grow fast. Survive if you forget them, and bounce back if you make a mistake. Even small tomatoes work perfectly in pots too. Second, your pot must have holes at the bottom. If water can't flow out, it gets stuck around the roots and they rot. It doesn't matter how nice your pot is, no holes equals no happy plant. Third, light. You don't need burning hot sun, just 4 to 6 hours of gentle morning or dappled light every day. That's all they need to grow strong. Fourth, and this is where most people go wrong. Don't guess. Push your finger into the soil. If it feels dry, water slowly until it runs out the bottom. If it feels cool and damp, leave it alone. Overwatering kills more plants than anything else. And one last tip, you can even start for free, just like these, grown straight from kitchen scraps. No seeds, no money needed. Start small, start simple. You don't need much to start growing your own. Give it a try and see you next time. Happy gardening!